Guys, this is an average day in Animal Company. This is an average day in Animal Company. So let's get into it. This is Giggity Goober. Say hi, guys. This is an average day in Animal Company.
I'm Giggity Goober. Come here.
Yeah, his name's Giggity Goober. This guy's name is Frozen.
Oh my god.
This guy's name is Skull. This guy's name is Poopy.
Hurry up and sell it. Hey, oh my boy, what you selling?
This is an average day in Animal Company. Say hi. This is an average day in Animal Company.
Put my snowboard in the sewer.
No, I didn't. That was Michael Jackson. I didn't. Bro, I swear to God, I didn't.
I already started Animal Company while I was playing. I already started minding while
When did you start Animal Company?
Oh, that's when I started too. That's when I got school. I started mine last school, bro.
I started when it came out.
I played it.
From the very beginning.
Oh, damn.
What?
I look you. Thank you.
Everybody go to lake. Go to lake, everybody.
Oh,
No.
oh yeah.
You
can't
Can somebody buy me the remote control?
Can somebody help me?
No.
This is my first time playing this game.
Actually,
Wait, is that you?
no, you missed everything. You missed everything.
Whoa, you scared me.
Bro, Pug, that's
This is our actual first time? Dude,
Can a man just snowboard
I got a call
so
my
much?
finger slipped. What?
You missed so
missed
much.
so much.
Green doesn't matter. He's new. It doesn't matter.
Okay, sure.
It doesn't matter. But Green, you can't expect him to play on the first day when it come out. You can't expect him to do that.
Bro.
You scared me.
Yo,
I
you're
made.
so drippy. You're so drippy. Yo,
Since you threw my snowboard away, you mind getting me one?
We're trying to go to the
I don't have any money. What? I had to use
Yo,
the map
look what I
every
made.
single
Look
time.
what I
I said
made.
snowboard.
I hate this. I don't know.
Come on.
yo,
That was my
yo,
prize.
yo,
That was my prize.
Is it this?
Yo,
Is
what
it
is
this?
that? The snowboard.
what? The pixels is crazy when you go up.
Hey, wait a minute.
Yo, chill. Blue, can you rocket launch me, bro?
Nah, I'm good.
Oh, please,
I'm good.
bro.
Bro, please no. How?
Hello. I'm sorry, bro. This has to be done, though, bro.
No, it doesn't. I'm just trying to.
I'm trying to kill Blue. The pixels is crazy. Bro, what the heck? No.
I have a double sword. Nobody can beat me.
I reported you.
Got one?
No, congratulations.
Hello.
Oh, yo.
Hey, can I have one? Can I have one?
Where do you go?
Can I have one?
Whoa, yo. Okay, fine. Fine, you can have one. You can have one. You can have one.
Can I have one? Can I have one?
Please, dude, I want the OG map back. I want to go back.
Bro, why'd you give him one?
I didn't give him one.
Oh my God.
Red deer, I'm going to hunt you down.
Oh my God.
Good. Ice cube.
Nah, come on, Ed. I'll kill you.
Pineapple. You will regret this, little boy. Wait, kill Pineapple. He's being a bad boy.
What? I'm just trying to get.
You're being a bad boy.
I
That's
can hit you.
thing.
Hey, Pug, let's team up on Pineapple.
Oh, bet. Let's go.
Hey, what? Hey, chill.
Yo,
Can a guy just snowboard in peace?
where's
Come
Pineapple?
on.
Wait, where'd he go?
He's coming. He's coming.
No. Hey, I give up. I give up. I give up.
Say sorry.
Let's go, little boy.
No. No.
No, what did I just do wrong? Why you go? Oh!
Thank you.
First time, bro? This is your first time? Yeah, I got my VR yesterday.
You got your VR. Got him. Oh.
Hold up, what's this stick do?
Good gang? That's good gang. What the? Wait, hey,
My
hey, hey.
bad.
I'm innocent. Yo.
What?
Can somebody give me?
Yeah. Okay, get a skateboard. Hi guys. This is gonna be my first time here.
I just want to go.
ski.
I'm so drippy. I'm so drippy, Green. I'm so drippy.
Nice.
You're drippy too.
My. No,
Hey,
you said
yeah. Hey, there's nothing to be negative thoughts about.
Get out.
I'm about to die. Oh no.
Actually, stop, everyone.
Please revive me. Please revive me. Please. I have no. Please revive me. Please revive me. Everyone attack Whitey being a bad boy. Go on the zip lines.
I just want to go snow.
Yo, give me the snowboard, like for real.
No.
Thank you. Let me go snowboarding. Yo, this is low key very fun.
Are you okay?
Yo, what is this? Is this Subway Surfers? Yo, what?
I see someone. Oh my.
White, you're better than this.
That's what you get, right? Join us and go snowboard.
I'm snowboarding right now. And this is yellow, by the way. No key.
Watch the movie.
White, go snowboarding. Be positive, little boy.
Come on.
You're better than this, little boy.
Oh.
Oh no. What's up?
Oh!
That looks like.
Oh no.
Too fast. Oh shoot.
Oh, that was close.
Very close.
Minute 9.
Oh,
Minute
there's a
9.
timer on this thing. There's a timer now?
Yeah, there's like a leaderboard.
Well, that's the end of the video. Who wants to do my outro?
I will.
Okay, what are you gonna do?
What do you want me to say?
I don't know. What do you want to say?
I'll just say snowboards chill AF. And then I'll go snowboarding.
Yeah, it's chill as fuck,
Alright.
guys.
Yeah, snowboarding's chill AF, bro. Deuces.
Thanks for watching.